Alright, good morning y'all. This is Todd from Reap What You Sow. I got me some good help right here. This is Mr. Buddy.
Morning.
From Gemini Homestead.
How's everybody doing this morning?
Well, we're going to be doing some chicken processing this morning. And it's hot, y'all. It's 78 degrees already. Sun's coming out and we're fixing to get after it. Well, we're going to take y'all on this little journey here. Taking care of all these chickens. We'll get you as much footage as we can. Kind of give y'all some tips as we go. Let's get started. All right, y'all. We got our water hot. We have 149.8, 150. You want your water temperature between 145 and 150. 152, it starts cooking them. So we got our water all right. Killing station is done. We've got 7 chickens so far in the bucket. And we're fixing to scald them and put them in the plucker. What do you think about that plucker over there?
That's good. Good. Ready to run it.
It's gonna be our first time to use this plucker. And we learning as we go too. We've cleaned them several different ways, but
We're gonna make it happen.
Buddy thinks we can get it done over there. I'm gonna leave y'all running. All right, y'all, when it starts coming off that leg like that, you're good to go. Plug it in there, bud.
One time, two.
You got where you're at. That's your beak, the old plucking them by hand.
Yeah, working hard.
Look at there, y'all.
Ain't that fine?
That's the way you pluck a chicken. Alright, we're going to get them all in the pot. Get them done, then we're going to start cleaning. We're going to work together on this. Pull that old leg up in it. Pull them out and get a little bit of hair and stick them back in there.
Okay.
What's up, Mom?
Did you know you were going to be doing that?
How you doing, ma'am?
Call me Dan. Yeah, I'm Todd, you know.
Glad to meet you, ma'am.
Come on over here, we'll put you on camera.
Oh, no.
You already on camera. You don't can't do camera.
Yeah.
Y'all, this is my mama, Dale. She's hiding in the corner back over here.
Oh, Lord.
What's her name?
Is Jared still here?
Yeah, she's fixing to leave though.
Okay.
And we're gonna do one at a time. It seems to be acting up. down the back. Let it roll. Let it roll. Under there hurts.
No, ain't never rubber.
All you doing is washing the feathers out the side, let them going out. Every once in a while you gotta spray your buddy.
Gotta keep cleaning dry. Chasing it in there is about like chasing it in the pen.
Woo, it's hot.
Yeah, it is.
It's warm out here, y'all. I'm gonna check that water temperature, see what we're looking at. We're right about 146. We're gonna clean for a minute. We might have to heat it back up a little bit. All right, y'all, what we're gonna do now is go ahead and clean the chickens. We got these 2 tables set up right here. We got some buckets to put our guts in, and we got some water down in these buckets. It makes it a lot easier to clean up. Over here on this other side, we got the first little tote right there that's got water in it to kind of help cool them off, and then we got the ice chest with ice in them. You want to get them cooled down and let their body temperatures come down before you put them in the vacuum bags, and we'll show y'all that as we go. You're gonna have a few little pieces like this that you're gonna have to take off. Now, we didn't feed these things yesterday, so there shouldn't be nothing in the crawl at all. You cut that little piece off there, it makes it pull out. You cut in just a little bit right here. You don't want to get in them guts. You pull it open. Alright, what you gotta watch for right here is get your lungs out on this inside. Everything clean, and we'll wash it off with the water hose. You're pulling the throat out. This right here is your gizzard. You saving the gizzard, you cut it in half, and it's real rough on the inside of it. You peel that skin off. There's your liver. There's your heart. Rinse it off, clean it up, and we start chilling them. And that's all there is to it, y'all.